Alright guys, just made it here to Target. I'm going to show you guys everything that they have here in the dollar spots section, so that way you guys get an heads up and see what's new in case you guys haven't gone into the store. So I'm bringing you guys with this video. Hopefully you guys like it. So we're going to look down at these little plants, the mini trees. They're $3. That got my attention. And you guys already know spring is going to be here this Saturday really soon, so they already have everything out. Here are some foam rocks for $3. I don't know what this is. Here's a wreath, one set for $1. And look at these small little trees. Topiary. These are $3. Esto que es? Towel hangers. Here's some DIY planters. Wood beads. You can design them. These are some wallpapers for $3. Decorating handle ones. By the way, this is what is left for St. Patrick's Day, which is on Wednesday, 17. There's a mini flag. What other colors do they have?
Well, can you put them in?
This one says feeling lucky. They're all $1.
So you can put it in the green.
Here's a beer mug
So you can put them there.
for $3. I don't think I'm gonna be buying any of this because I'm late. But you can still use them for next year. Here's a light up necklaces for $3. These are for babies. Have a scarf for $3. The bandanas, $1. Here are some socks, you guys. Look, they're selling these little bags with this zip on where you can place your mask in here, so that way it stays clean for $1. And then this is what we found for Easter. Here are some more gels, stickers that you can place on the windows. And look at the chocolate. Here's some glitter eggs. The baby tutus. Here's another one with the baby tutu. Got this pom-pom up here. We found some bunny ears. These are super soft. And I don't think they're $3, are they? They're only $1, even though it's placed on a $3 thing. But this one says food storage. We found a couple more socks. Loving these colors so far. Here are more headbands. There's a couple more. Got the glasses. Lots of great finds, guys. Here's a kid's bow for $3. Different colors.
These are for like cats or dogs.
Pet bunnies. Little baskets. the buckets. Oh, look. For pets. How will Coco look like this? Look at all of these Easter display for the kitchen. So this is our finds here at Target, and all of these brunch plates are $3. Super cute. Look at these little mugs right here. This one says hello Saturday, I love you. These are 15. Oh my gosh, they're expensive. Are they 15? I'm not sure if they're 15. No, they're actually 5. This is for the wood printer, which is from. But look at this. This is pretty. And then they have these small ones right here. And they have these little mini stands, look. Cupcake stands. They already have their summer swimsuits out here in Target, ranging with different prices. The lowest is $11, the maximum I think is $16. These are really nice swimsuits. I hope everyone's ready for the summer. Here's a different one. More in here. So these are the colors that they have available. have finally made it back from Target, and this is just some of the things that we bought from there. So I did grab another of these powder makeup just because I really needed another one. So this is in 230 Natural Buff. I usually go with the 220, but they didn't have the 220, so I went with 230. So hopefully that works. And I also picked these two nail polishes that they had in there, and this one is in shade Dream Up in LA, and this other one right here is Olive and June. So these are the two that I picked from there, and I think those are nice colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint my nails. And then I found this one in clearance, which was $2.69. This is like a beginner bra for my youngest one, which is the little one. So she's gonna be wearing this, and it was cheap, so why not, right? So it was $2.69. Then I got her another set of 3-pack, and this was $6.99. So it does come with 3 different colors, which is awesome. So she has that. And then here's a crop top shirt in extra small, and this one is white, and this was $3, and that's gonna be for my daughter. And then on the men's section, I picked it out this pink tie-dye shirt. It's kind of like a ruby color. It's a short sleeve crew neck shirt, and this is in size large, and they were only $10. They had another color in blue as well, but I decided to go in with this one instead. So if I unfold it, this is how it looks. And then I've got myself some biker shorts, and this is in black. They were only $7, so I picked out a medium size. And then I picked this one right here, this sweater, and they were $19.99. And for the sweater, I decided to go in with a one size bigger because I normally use the medium, so I went with the large one this time. So this is gonna be my new sweater, and I love the color as well. It's like an olive green color. It's not like actually green, but it's like kind of like in between olive color, which is good. And I think that is it, you guys. Yeah, that is it. I thought I picked up something else, but that is it for today's mini haul. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.